Welcome to Auto Bike Reviews, where we break down the most anticipated vehicles with clarity and honesty. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Tata Sumo Victa 9-seater, a legendary nameplate making a strong comeback for families, fleet owners, and rural mobility seekers who value toughness, space, and reliability above all else. Legacy reimagined. The Tata Sumo Victa has always been known for its no-nonsense character, and the 2026 version builds on that heritage with a more modern approach. While retaining its boxy, purposeful stance, the new model feels refreshed and more contemporary, designed to handle rough roads, heavy loads, and long journeys without compromising durability. Bold exterior presence. The 2026 Sumo Victa features a commanding front profile with a redesigned grille, updated headlamps, and a taller bonnet that reinforces its rugged appeal. The straight body lines, high ground clearance, and solid proportions make it instantly recognizable as a true utility vehicle, perfectly suited for both urban outskirts and challenging rural terrain. Spacious 9-seater cabin. Inside, the biggest highlight is space. The 9-seater layout offers generous headroom and legroom across all rows, making it ideal for large families or commercial passenger use. The seating arrangement is practical and easy to access, while improved cushioning and better interior materials aim to enhance comfort on long drives. Practical interior features. The cabin focuses on functionality with a redesigned dashboard, clear instrument cluster, and essential modern conveniences. Expect features like improved air conditioning, multiple storage compartments, charging ports, and a user-friendly infotainment setup that keeps the experience simple yet effective for everyday use. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 Tata Sumo Victa is a refined diesel engine tuned for torque and reliability. This setup prioritizes load-carrying capability and fuel efficiency rather than outright speed, making it DEP.